What's going on, guys? It's Sunday, November 17th. Give you guys an update on the birds and what's going on over here. And there is not much of an update. All the breeders got vaccinated yesterday for PMV. They're going to get vaccinated next weekend for salmonella. And other than that, we're kind of in the not really a whole lot going on phase of the year. It's not racing season, it's not breeding season, it's not settling young bird season. It's kind of just nothing season. But I'm going in now to feed the birds, so figured to take you guys with me and make this a little short view of the birds. So let's head in. All right. Well, as you can tell, they know it's time. So these are the breeder hens and some of the old bird hens. I'm gonna get some chow. Yes, you lunatics. Yes, I know, you're hungry. You want to come eat? Let's go. Thank you. So these are 2024 birds, and there are 4 cocks in here that are on the old bird team. I kept them in here and away from the hens because my breeder hens I want left alone still until breeding season. So they're all isolated. And then when I start breeding, I'm going to have the hens from the old bird team on this side and the cocks from the old bird team on that side, and I'll keep them separated until it's time to start training and letting them out again. I gotta close this up. I've been letting the birds go in and out the last couple of days. Hard to do with one hand. Shouldn't be. There we go. Doesn't go anywhere. Locked in good. That's how I keep predators out at night and still get a lot of sunlight in here during the day. All right, let these guys eat. Now let's head over to the cocks. All right, here's the cock section. Let's see, where can we put this? Put this here. All right, come on, guys. All right, so feeding the cocks now. You guys can see how empty it is in here. I got rid of a good amount of birds this year. Like I've said in past videos, just focusing on certain birds, certain pairs, and Yeah, this is what's here. Not a lot of breeder pads, but more space is better in my mind. Less to clean, less food. Birds stay healthier. Just less birds are better. Quality over quantity, so that's what I'm trying to focus on. You guys over there fighting? What are you fighting over? There's plenty of space there. One thing, I don't know if I mentioned this in a previous video. I may have, but now that I have the aviaries like this, I move the waterers outside and the grit pots and stuff because it stays dry now. I don't have to worry about the rain or anything, and the waterer stays a lot cleaner throughout the day being out here. I don't have to worry about this. Like, you know, I do their waters, and then when I got home from work, they'd be full of dust and down and, you know, little feathers. And being outside, they stay much, much cleaner. And the grit too. I have the grit out here also, the grit and the pick pots and stuff. And you know, when I clean this, I just sweep it off, and keeps the inside cleaner, keeps the waterers cleaner, and all around. And they got more room in the loft. So these guys too, I moved theirs out here. And next I have to, for the winter, I gotta close up this and put like a door so they don't have to, it doesn't blow in directly. And then these I cover with the plastic. And if it gets really, really cold and really windy, I'll cover that with like painter's plastic. Like a painter's tarp. I'll just staple it on, and I'll block the wind from going in there if it's going to be really cold and really windy. But other than that, I like how it vents up. I like the vent up there. I put it there on purpose to vent out high. It goes along the whole top and down on the side there. Still have to paint it. Still haven't gotten around to that, but I will. I have some paint left, so I got to come around here and touch all this up. But yeah. Here's the top with the settling cage for all you guys who didn't watch the other videos with the new loft design. And we'll head back inside. I like to come in, especially with the hens, the breeders. I don't spend a lot of time with them during the race season. So I like to come in and just sit while they eat, even though they're gonna go outside. They don't care that I'm here at all. There's some up there. Oh, I got this hen yesterday. Eric dropped off. She's is Wolverine and Red Monkey and Hubin. She is for Scorpion, Red Monkey, and Wolverine cock that I have. I'm going to pair him up with my apple cup bird and then switch her out and put her in and get a couple babies. Eric bred her this year from one of his pairs, 2024, who on paper matches up with that cock really well. So I'm gonna give it a try. And there's Uhtred. Yeah, it's a hen, but she's keeping the name. Can't change now. And there's one of my old bird hens. Guys, I think I gave you guys a little too much food tonight. I just woke up from a nap before I made their food. I fell asleep on the couch, so I probably measured wrong today. I was kind of out of it, but figured I'd update you guys nonetheless. And if you got any ideas for videos you want to see or anything you want to see, let me know. But all right, just a little update on the birds with nothing going on. She's sitting on a fake egg. See, fake egg. That's her boyfriend. But all right, I will talk to you guys later.